Alright, I'm back again, guys, and today I'm going to go over reverb and delays a little bit more in depth than I have before. So I have an artist from Alabama by the name of DA. He did a track called Clout. You feel me? So I'm going to use vocals from his track in order to show you guys how I use reverb and delays. So let's jump straight into it. What I have pulled up here is a Reverb by Waves, and I have it on a vocal plate setting, and I'm just going to play around with it. I'm going to use the reverb bus and turn it all the way up so I can hear exactly what the reverb is doing. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. Drinking purple box, I'm more like I pay for the Ravens. Pocket rocket, shoot them out like I'm chasing my grave. I know they need to bro, they why they stay with. She gon' let me fuck a friend, they go both ways. I can put all on the floor with her new chain. Just wanna know if you gon' do it for the clout. Okay. Now once I have the verb how I want it to sound, I'm going to add an SSL compressor to my reverb bus. And what this does is it adds the reverb, but the vocal will bring the reverb down so the reverb doesn't overtake the vocal. And then we'll take our vocal bus and we'll slide it back to where it sounds good with the vocal. So it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. So let's play around with that for a second. Okay, the last thing that I want to do with my reverb is I want to add an EQ, and I want to cut out everything in the low end, because if I leave the reverb, the low end inside the reverb is going to muddy up my entire mix. So let's do that. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. Drinking purple bottle more like I pay for the Ravens. Pocket rocket, shoot them out like I'm chasing my grave. I know they need to bro, they why they stay with. She gon' let me fuck a friend. Taking away the low end makes it feel like it adds a little prestige to the high end. It adds some space. It makes the high end kind of thicker. So that's my reason for doing that. I'll blend it back in. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. Okay, let's jump into our delay. Put the delay up. Alright, so we're going to use an H delay. Let's check it out. See exactly what it does. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. Alright, here I don't want to use a ping pong effect on these delays because it's going straight through the main vocal. So I just want to hear it kinda. So let's just blend that so that we kinda hear it. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just face we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. Same thing with my delays, kind of kill the low end. The last thing that I do on my delay bus, let's see what I'm doing right here with this delay, with this EQ, I'm sorry. Yeah, basically I'm just cutting out the low end, cutting out some of the high end, and defining the reverb, so to say. The last thing that I do with my delays is I add reverb to the delay. And the reason that I add reverb to the delay is because it helps the delays to blend better with the vocal in the entire song. So I always add some reverb to the delay. So let's just listen to it now that I have them both. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, we don't do no relation. I be sharper than a razor, now she wanna rape it. I just wanna fuck her face, the most important thing to remember is always trust your ears over whatever it is that you have that you can click on. Always trust your ears over that. Your ears will always guide you right. Music is about feeling, so always trust your ears and not necessarily what's on the string. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.